The toucan is a colorful bird that is best known for its appearance as a sugary cereal mascot. In reality, this large-billed creature has a much richer history than that. There are over 40 species of toucan. Toucans do not migrate when the seasons change. They are frugivorous, meaning they are fruit-eating creatures. Toucans are commonly adopted as pets because they are docile and friendly birds. The toucan's tongue is half a foot long. They can live up to 20 years in the wild. Humans are one of the toucan's main predators. Native to South America, toucans inhabit a range of habitats including tropical forests, savannas, and shrubland. Toucans live together in a single hollow. It is in these hollows that they lay their eggs, generally 2 to 4 a year. Both parents incubate the eggs for 16-20 days. Once the chicks hatch, both parents continue to care for the young. Baby toucans are not born with an excessively large beak. The beak grows as the birds develop. They spend a lot of time in trees. They are not very good at flying. Toucans mainly travel among trees by hopping. When they do take flight, they flap their wings vigorously and glide, traveling only short distances. Toucans also use their beaks to pluck and peel fruit, their main source of food. In addition, the beak houses a flat tongue of the same length, which helps the toucan catch insects, frogs, and reptiles. Toucans also occasionally eat the eggs of other birds. Toucans regulate body temperature by adjusting the flow of blood to their beak. More blood flow means more heat is released. When toucans sleep, they tuck their beak under their feathers to keep them warm. Wildcats are a predator of toucans in the rainforest. Other predators include larger birds. Some snakes and rodents may attack smaller toucans, but typically are more interested in the toucan's eggs instead. Thankfully, toucans are not being as affected by rainforest destruction as other animals. They have been listed as being of least concern by conservationists.